Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. Today's video provides a step-by-step guide on manually configuring your LNKOO Wi-Fi Range Extender. Whether you're installing it for the first time or resolving connectivity issues, this comprehensive tutorial ensures a quick and seamless setup process, getting you online within minutes with ease and efficiency. Begin by carefully unboxing your LNKOO Wi-Fi Range Extender. Remove the device from its packaging and inspect all accessories and documentation. Ensure everything is in perfect condition before proceeding to plug the extender into a power outlet near your router. Insert the LNKOO Wi-Fi Range Extender into a power outlet located close to your main Wi-Fi router. This placement ensures a strong initial connection during setup. Wait for the power LED to turn solid, indicating that the device is fully powered. On your smartphone or laptop, go to the Wi-Fi settings and look for a network named something like LNKOO_EXT or similar. Tap to connect. It may say no internet, but that's okay for now. Open a web browser and in the address bar, type 192.168.10.1 or http://ap.setup and press enter. This will take you to the LNKOO setup interface. If you're prompted to log in, enter the default credentials. In most cases, both the username and password will be admin. Make sure to type them in lowercase letters, and double-check for any typos before proceeding to the next step. On your smartphone or other devices, look for the new extended network name. It might have _EXT at the end. Connect to it using the same Wi-Fi password as your main router. If you experience any issues or require assistance, our dedicated team of experts is available to help. Do not hesitate to reach out for comprehensive support and guidance. You can contact us at 1-323-507-3713 for prompt service and reliable solutions. And that's it. Your LNKOO Wi-Fi Range Extender is now up and running. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.